What's up guys, back again with another YouTube video. Today we're doing oil change on a 2021 GTI. Let's get right into it. First things first, have the car jacked up and then pop your hood open. Second step, what you want to do is take the engine cover off, just like that. You just rip it off. It just has these little things on it. Just rip it right off. All right, next thing, I like to crack this open a little bit. The oil thing right here. After that, we're gonna loosen up the oil filter. I like to do the oil filter first because it's on top. You can just take it off. But once you crack the oil filter loose, you let it drain because there's the O-ring that covers everything. So you loosen it and you let it drain a little bit. And then to get it, you feel it, you just got a little tug there. You feel it get loose, just like that. Just like that. All right, now moving over here, all you gotta do is take this filter off, just like that. Just pop it up, throw it in the garbage. And right here, this O-ring, get your little pick right here, up, over, and garbage. All right, now putting in the new one, they give you a new gasket and new filter. Now you just put it just like that, just put it right back in, and then you grab it like this. Easiest way I found is you hold it like this, and then you just do it like that, and it's all around. Then you just put it down just like this, all the way down until it catches on this line right here. You just oil it up a little bit. Now you just throw her back right in there. Now time to drain the oil. So let's get our oil container right here and then slide it under. And I'll meet you under the car. All right, so looking on the car right here, this is your drain plug right here. It requires a flathead screwdriver to loosen it. So let's take that out. Now all you do is let the oil drain down into your oil container. Alright, I recommend getting a new drain plug because it will obviously seal better, but you can use your old one. What you gotta do is just put it right back in there and tighten it right back up. Alright, now you fully open up your fill to the oil right here, right in the back, right here. Put it down right there, grab your funnel, and all of these 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo cars take 6 quarts. So we're about to put 6 quarts in. All right, once you're done filling up 6 quarts into here, you tighten this down and you just put back on your engine cover. And that's how you guys do an oil change on a 2021 GTI.